Welcome back to the course on computer programming. In this video, we will be discussing about precedence and associativity of operators. Precedence specifies the priority of an operator in an expression. So if you have a complex expression with different operators, then the precedence will specify the order in which the operators have to be evaluated in that expression. Suppose we have more than one operator in an expression with the same precedence, then we use associativity rules to determine which operator has to be evaluated first. So associativity rules are from either from left to right or right to left. That is, you have to evaluate either from left to right of an expression or from right to left of an expression. So this is the uh, precedence and associativity relationship among different operators in C programming. So as you can see, the highest precedence is for these operators, that is for square brackets, then dot is an operator for accessing objects, then for normal parenthesis, then increment operator, then decrement operator. Okay, so this is post increment and this is post decrement. So they have the highest precedence and their associativity is from left to right. That is, if there are more than one operator appearing in the same expression with the same precedence, then you will evaluate it from left to right. Then next level of precedence is for pre-increment, pre-decrement, unary plus, unary minus, logical not, and bitwise not. Okay, so this is the next level of precedence. They are evaluated from right to left. Then this bracket indicates typecasting and new indicates object creation in case of C++. Fourth level of precedence is for star, division and percentage. They have the same precedence. They are evaluated from left to right. Then you have plus, minus, that is additive symbols, and this plus for string concatenation. Next level of precedence, they are evaluated from left to right. Then left shift, right shift, etc. They are evaluated from left to right. Then relational operations like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, they have evaluated from left to right. Then equality operators like equal to, not equal to. Then you have bitwise and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR. So not that they do not have the same precedence, and XOR and OR in case of bitwise have got different precedence level. They are all evaluated from left to right. Then you will see conditional and conditional OR. Okay, so not that and has got the higher priority. So you have conditional and conditional OR. Then you have the conditional operator question mark colon, which is a ternary operator. So not that the conditional operator is evaluated from right to left. Then you have all the assignment operators, that is assigning equal to A equal to B, that assignment, or A plus equal to B. Okay, so such assignment operators all have the last priority and they are evaluated from right to left. So you can see that unary operators, conditional operators, assignment operators are evaluated from right to left, okay, as well as cast symbol. So only a few are evaluated from right to left. These unary operators, typecasting, then conditional or ternary operators, then assignment operators. Okay, they are evaluated from right to left. Rest are evaluated from left to right. So in order to understand this more clearly, I will explain it with the help of examples. So consider this particular expression, 100 plus 200 divided by 10 minus 3 star 10. Okay, here there are no brackets. Okay, so how will we evaluate this? shall we evaluate 100 plus 200 first? Okay, then divide it by 10, then subtract 3 from that, then multiply it by 10. So how shall we do this? Okay, that is the question. So here when we look at this, we have higher precedence for division and higher precedence for star. So first these two operations will be done. Okay. So division and star has got higher precedence than plus and minus. So this division and multiplication operation will be done first. Okay. And again, in the same expression, we have two operators with the same precedence. That is, division and star has got the same precedence. Okay. Then what we will have to use? We will have to use associativity rules to determine which operator has to be evaluated first. Okay. So for division and multiplication, you have left to right associativity. So from left to right, you are going to evaluate. Okay, so the leftmost operator is division. So first you will be evaluating the division operation, then you will be evaluating the multiplication operation. So what is the first expression to be evaluated? 200 by 10. Okay, so 200 by 10. What is 200 by 10? That is 20. Okay, then you have minus. Then next expression to be evaluated is 3 star 10. What is 3 star 10? 30. Okay. So now I have this expression 100 plus 20 minus 30. Okay. So how will we evaluate this? Plus and minus have the same precedence. Okay. So first which operator has to be evaluated? It will depend upon the associativity rule. So for plus and minus, associativity rule is left to right. So the first operation here is leftmost operation is plus. So first we will add 120. So we get 120. Okay. After doing that, what we will do? We will subtract 30 from that. So we get 90 as the answer. Okay. So 90 is the answer for this particular expression. Now take the case of this example. Here we have written x is equal to 2 plus 4 modulus 3. Okay. So here we have an assignment operation, then plus and modulus operation. Okay. So assignment is the last precedence and it is evaluated from right to left. So whatever value we have here on the right hand side will be assigned to x. Okay. So that is right to left associativity for assignment operator. Okay. So this is got the lowest precedence. What is the highest precedence here? Modulus operation. Okay. So for mod 3, what is for mod 3? 1. Okay. And you have 2 plus 1 as the result, which is equal to 3. Okay, and you have x equal to 3. Okay, this equal to operation is right to left associative, that is you assign the value of 3 to x, from 3 you are assigning to x. Okay, so this is the second example. Then third example is x equal to y equal to 3. All have the same precedence. You know that they have the associativity from right to left. So first equal to that will be evaluated as this. Okay, rightmost equal to will be evaluated first because equal to has got right to left precedence. Sorry, associativity. Okay, this equal to will be evaluated first because equal to symbol or assignment operator has got associativity from right to left. So you find out the rightmost equal to operator. So rightmost equal to operator is this. So this will be done first, then you will do this. Okay. Then next example is z star is equal to plus plus y plus 5. Okay. So you can see that before plus, okay, before this addition operation, the highest precedence is for increment operation. Okay, increment operation, this is pre-increment. Okay, pre-increment and not post-increment. Okay, and it has got the highest precedence. There is no need to check for associativity because only one increment operator is present. So you have plus plus y. This will be evaluated first. Then to that you will add phi. Then what you have is z star equal to plus plus y plus phi. Okay. So that means star equal to is the assignment operator which has got the least priority. So what happens? Suppose y is set to 2. Okay. You will initialize y to 2. So first you have to do plus plus y. So y will become 3. Then plus 5. This is 8. Okay. But then you write z star is equal to 8, which means z is equal to z star 8. Okay. This is how this thing will evaluate. Okay. Z star is equal to 8. And now another example, A or B and, that is logical and, C or D. Okay. So here you can see that conditional or logical and has got higher precedence than conditional or. So, and also it is left to right associative. Okay. So you find out the leftmost and. So you have only one and conditional and. Okay. So there is no need of associativity. But by precedence, the AND operation will be done first. So B and C will be done first. Okay. So B and C will be done first. Then what you will do? You have A or B. Suppose B and C gives a result E. Okay. So this will come like this. Okay. So B and C will be evaluated first and you get something E. Okay. It might either be 1 or 0. Then you get A or E or D. So OR has got the same precedence. So you have to check the associativity. It is left to right associative. So you find out the leftmost OR operation, which is this. So first you will do what? First you will do A or E. Then to that result you will OR D. Okay. So that is how precedence and associativity works. Thank you.